30 common English mistakes you're probably making and how to fix them. I should have went somewhere. I should have gone somewhere. Last night I dreamt with you. Last night I dreamt about you. I like more tea than coffee. I like tea more than coffee. She got on the car and drove away. She got in the car and drove away. I look forward to meet you. I look forward to meeting you. I've been here since 5 months. I've been here for 5 months. Jim helped me carrying the box. Jim helped me carry the box. There are less biscuits now. There are fewer biscuits now. Leave me in peace. Leave me alone. The horses are in the field. The horses are in the field. I did it by my own. I did it on my own. Everybody are fine. Everybody is fine. Have you been in Oxford? Have you been to Oxford? I invite you. It's on me. He spoke in my behalf. He spoke on my behalf. It depends of the time. It depends on the time. Who shall I invite? Whom shall I invite? I don't use a watch. I don't wear a watch. It's more cold now. It's colder now. He don't know. He doesn't know. She is more taller than me. She is taller than me. I've seen that movie already. I have seen that movie already. I have less friends than you. I have fewer friends than you. He suggested me to take a break. He suggested that I take a break. The news are good. The news is good. She asked John. She asked John. I need to discuss about this. I need to discuss this. Neither of them are correct. Neither of them is correct. I've been knowing him for years. I've known him for years. My family are coming tomorrow. My family is coming tomorrow.